video, guys, you can see me, I'm natural. I'm my natural hair. I'm just from the shower, guys. After 2 weeks, I recently put a video on how I use rice water on my hair. I don't know if it's two weeks or 3 weeks ago, so this is just an update video if the rice water actually grew my hair or not. So now is the moment of truth. So if you're interested in really finding out if that rice water really grew Anora's hair, please just keep watching. Although, you know, I searched for the video when I was about to do the rice water on my hair, because I did a video on how I measure it with my tape, but I could not find it on my phone. Who is always having that same problem? Like, you will do a video and when you go to delete, you start deleting video and you forget you have a video that you need to save it so you can use it when the time comes. I am that person. But thank God I had my book here and I jot everything down. You can see here we got the back, the side, and the front. So these are the inches of my hair, like the side when the day I used the rice water. So let's go in now and start measuring and finding out if actually it really grows my hair or not. Okay guys, the moment of truth right now. So I will start from the front part. So this is how I part the hair that day, and you have to make sure you comb it well. So in our front we got you have to take the tape right down, and now you take it till the end. So this is the front. Wow, 13 here. Now we got, I think it's at 14. Can you guys figure it out? I don't know if you guys can figure it out, but I think it's at 14. This is it right here. I think my hair grew 1 inch in 2 weeks. Wow, so this is it right here. Our front head really did progress, you know, more than 1 inch in a week. So we really try. So we'll go at the side now. Hit it like this. Yeah, and I take it out. Always make sure you comb it out, because if you don't comb it out you won't get the exact length. So from our side we got we got 12 at the roof, and you should put it straight this way. Put it like it, attach it to your hair, and you hold it this way. I really don't know, you guys should figure it out before I'm gonna put it down. It was at 12. Okay, I grew just 1 inch for my side hair. So guys, for my side hair, you guys can see it, I grew 1 inch. My hair really grew, you know. That rice water is really working, you know. So I advise you guys to go for the rice water. Let's go in now with the back part. I went like this. So I can really say this rice water really grew my hair. In 2 weeks I grew 1 inch in 2 weeks. It's really not bad. If I can be doing that every after 2 weeks, my hair will really grow a lot. So, and I go now with my, take it right down at the root of your hair and you pull it. For my back I got 12 there, and here. So for the back I got 12, and here I think I still got 12. I still got 12. Yeah, here I still got, for my back I still got 12. My back is really kind of stubborn because I always sleep with my back. That's what I've noticed. I think that's why. So I still got the same 12 for my back hair. But guys, I will tell you, this type of water is really nice, even though it smells a lot. But there are many different kind of ways you can make your rice water smell very nice. So that is the update about my rice water, how rice water really grew my hair, and I really love the journey. You know, for 2 weeks I just left the hair open. I wasn't applying the rice water. I just break, I think, 4 comb curl, and I let it, I just allow it there, and I say after 2 weeks I'm gonna wash the hair and I give that up and give the update. So this is the update video that's coming up today. So I saw so many comments on people commenting on how I should show them how I create my own rice water. Guys, I'm so sorry. I will bring up that video very soon. Your girl is really kind of busy. That's why I have not put up that video yet. Okay, but I apologize. I will do it for you guys because I love you guys so much as you love me too. So guys, I think that will be all about the video for today. I hope you guys love the video. So that's my rice water update. I hope you love it, and I love the rice water because it really fools your hair, it make your hair healthy. I will just write them down, so if I go in with the rice water once more time, I will know how it really grows my hair the next time. So here I got 13, here I got 14. Okay, so I've just put the update. So guys, without wasting so much of your time, I think I'll be signing out. Peace out. I love you all, and please always remember to drink you some water and mind you your own business.